spray body mist or perfume right onto your hair or pump perfumes onto your hairbrush before brushing, please stop, because commercial perfumes tend to contain a lot of alcohol, which can be very drying to the hair. Also, most hair perfumes on the market are normally loaded with synthetic fragrances, petrochemicals, and other undisclosed chemicals, so why not make your own hair perfume? Spritzing a natural hair perfume is a great way to freshen up unwashed hair by masking its smell or sweat. To make our natural hairspray or perfume, we would need rose water or distilled water. Rose water promotes healthy hair by nourishing the scalp and repairing damage. We would also need a carrier ingredient, aloe gel. Aloe vera gel acts as a great conditioner, which leaves hair shiny and smooth. Then jasmine and lavender essential oils to condition, strengthen, moisturize, and give our hair perfume a heavenly fragrance. Now let's begin. Transfer into a spray bottle of your choice and seal tightly. Store in a cool, dry place or refrigerate to extend preservation. And then shake gently to mix before you spray onto your hair. Until next time, bye bye.